If detailed instructions are given to assemble a table, for example, can we omit a few steps that we don't like? Yes, we can, but the table might not be stable, depending on which step is skipped. Similarly, can we skip whatever step we don't like when cooking or baking? Again, yes, we can, but the results might not be edible. Again, depending on which step is skipped. And if recipes are used, we do have the option of omitting all the ingredients that we either don't like or don't have. But we know that it's best to include all of the ingredients that are crucial to the finished product, not optional. Likewise with the 10 Commandments. They are life's instructions. They're a recipe for happiness. They weren't merely for people in Bible times. The commandments were designed by our loving designer for the benefit of all humanity throughout all generations. And the 10 are a complete set. We can't just pick and choose the ones we like, discarding ones that we don't. It isn't sufficient for us to keep only 5 out of 10, nor is keeping merely 9. All 10 were given for good reason. For our joy, for our peace, for our protection. They are beautiful promises from God to preserve us. As children of He who faithfully keeps those 10 promises, shouldn't we believe Him and accept them?